Hello. Today I will show you how to collapse the Roblox sidebar. As you can already see, it is collapsed. This is not a perfect fix, but makes things a lot better. I appreciate any constructive criticism. Note that this uses CSS code. I will include the code in the description. Stay safe and always review code before pasting. For this you will need an extension called Stylish, or Stylus, whatever works for your browser. I tried making this a public Stylish extension, but it didn't work, including userstyles.world. Instead you'll have to create your own private Stylish extension, which I'll show you how to do. After you get Stylish, go back to the Roblox homepage. I just needed to quickly refresh the page here. Now make sure the Stylish extension is pinned and click on it. It'll open a tab off to the right. Then click on the editor section. My recording software is blocking the way here. Instead I'll just edit my current extension to show you what to do. First you'll want to name it something like Roblox Sidebar Fix. The domain should already be www.roblox.com. If not, change it to that. Then, paste in the code from the description and hit save. From what I know, Stylish is a bit broken, but this method should still work. Remember to never blindly trust code or Roblox extensions, as they can steal your account. This code is CSS, visual only, and I have made it fully transparent if you want to review it yourself. As you can see, when I toggle it off and on, it fixes the annoying sidebar. Clicking on the three lines opens the menu, and you can then hover your mouse over it to expand it. This update was released on April 21, 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd seriously appreciate it. By the way, sorry for not uploading in forever. I'll talk more in the pinned comment about it. See ya.